Thank you so much for tuning back into DJ's World TV. And if this is your first time stopping by, please do us a favor and subscribe. So today we got a box of 2020 Tops WWE Women's Division. We are hoping for a book, but if not, we're just hoping for a Rousey auto, and if not that, just a Charlotte auto. Either or, we'll be happy with whatever we get. Have my lovely fiance who's going to be helping me out. And let's dive right into this one. It is a one-packer, so it's going to go kind of fast. We'll save the hits to the end. I do have a couple of the other boxes. Those are 1 minute shorts. If you do want to check them out, they're in the short section. This will be our first full length of a Divisions box of 2020. So let's see what we get. Alrighty. You want to go ahead and open this, or? Yeah. I'll go ahead, yeah. Alright, you can get that box covered out. The one packers are a lot cleaner. Not gonna have all that mess at the end of the night. Let's see. So we got Bailey and Sasha Banks. We have the Divas: Charlotte Flair, Bailey. We've got Bailey winning the Money of the Bank. We've got Rhea Ripley confronting Shayna Baszler. Go ahead and break this stack up real quick. We've got Becky Lynch coming in hot from the top rope, about to lay it down on Sasha Banks. We've got Charlotte Flair and Trish Stratus. Charlotte Flair with her championship belt. We got an awesome couple right here. The Man, Becky Lynch, and Seth freaking Awesome. They are a real deal couple. Now we got Corbin and Lacey Evans. We've got Sasha Banks and Bailey. We've got Sasha Banks, Shayna Baszler, Asuka with the championship bout. We've got Becky Lynch whooping Ronda Rousey's butt, it looks like. And then right here we got Nikki Cross. She just defeated Bailey. And we got the awesome rowdy one, Ronda Rousey. We've got Ronda Rousey right here whooping Ruby Riott. We got another awesome couple one, Alexa Bliss, Kaylee Ray from NXT, the Kabuki Warriors. We've got Becky Lynch, and it kind of looks like Charlotte. Shayna Baszler roughing up Bianca Belair. We've got freaking Becky Lynch dropkicking two girls at the same time. Bailey and Sasha Banks. That's just awesome. An amazing one of Charlotte right here. And we got Toni Storm, Dakota Kai. We've got Kayla Braxton, Charlie Caruso, Carmella, Io Shirai, Bailey. Sonya Deville. What a transformation that one is. Alexa Bliss. Wow, she looks super young on the left. Paige. Breaking barriers, parallels coming up. We've got a double champ. Becky Lynch. China. Another China with the Intercontinental Championship. Putting it down. DX right here. Winning the Intercontinental Championship. Amazing stuff. We got Ronda Rousey slamming Triple H through a table. These girls just be whooping the smackdown on these dudes. Alright, here we go. Getting closer to the hits. If you made it this far, thank you so much for the support. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you, thank you. Let's see, we've got Io Sky right there. We've got Nikki Cross confronting Bailey, I want to say. And then right here we got Nikki Cross and Alexa Bliss. They are the champions. We got Kairi Sane dropping down from the top rope. Tegan Knox. Natalya coming close. Here's our first hit. It's a purple parallel of Shayna Baszler defeating Mia Kim. And here's going to come our auto. We'll come from the bottom. It's a SmackDown. Bailey. That's a good one right there. I like Bailey. She's a heel, but man, she can get the crowd going. This is out of 199. And behind her, we got the mighty Molly Holly. This one's numbered out of 99. And then we'll go with the rest of the base. We got Io Sky looking like a diva in the dark. Oh, we'll get that one sleeve up too. Asuka, Dakota Kai, Sonya Deville, Lacey Evans, Naomi, Marina Shafir, and rookie card of Piper Niven, aka Doudrop. Shotzi Blackheart, she just goes by Shotzi now. And Zelina Vega. Thank you so much for the support, guys. If you made it this way, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.